Hello, everyone. So in this video, we are going to explain about an Android application that we've created that is named BookMyShow. And in the previous video, we had already explained about the uh, sign up and sign in activities, the features of the application when you log in or sign up as a theater admin or a user. So we'll give you a quick review of the bits, and then we'll move forward with the rest of the features of the application. So when if you're a theater admin and you click on the theater admin in order to log in or sign up, and you already have an account existing on your name, then you just need to enter your email and your password, and then when you click on next, you'll be signed in. But if you are new to the application, you need to click on create new account. When you click on create new account, we have theater name, theater capacity, mobile number, city, zip code, passwords, and the details, the contact details, which include name, email, and mobile number. When you fill in all the details and then click on next, you will be signed up as a theater admin. The same thing is with the user login. When you click on user login, if you already have an existing account, you don't need to do anything. You just need to enter your email and your password and click on sign in. But if you're new to the application, you need to create your account. When you click on create new account, it includes name, email, your mobile number, password, and confirm password. When you click on sign up, you'll be all signed up as a user. Vineet will explain you the remaining part.
Coming to theater admin, this is already explained. After logging in, I'll explain the remaining part. Let's log in into the admin. Yeah, after logging into the admin page, he has complete rights of this application. He can only add a movie and add show. This complete app is in hands. Suppose let's take add movie activity. For that, we need to enter movie name, genre, category, star cast, and language. Let's see in the code. For entering values, we have created temporary values, and later we got the values from the front end which you have entered in this app, and we set to these temporary variables, and we'll check for the validation. Suppose we click add movie without entering a value, it will show the error like please enter movie name, like we have shown here. After that, coming to the add to database, how we are adding database. For let's take the Firebase utils object. With that, how we are storing, like using the parameterized constructor. Movie is a parameterized constructor. We are setting all the values, movie name, movie genre, and category to this object, and this object I'm setting to the new movie. After that, I'm adding this new movie to the Firebase utils like this. If documents are empty, if documents are there, then we'll create the array list and we'll set that movie object to the movie list. Same like this way. After that, after entering all these fields, and if you click add movie, it will show a pop-up message as movie or added. If either of these two conditions not done, then it will show as a error while adding a movie. This is add movie, and coming to add show. Whatever we have added movie, it will display here as a drop down. Like let's take movie name Bahubali. For this movie, you have to add a show timings. Like for that, we have declared theater ID, movie list, movie ID, and time and date. Further, to get date, we have date picker, used date picker, and day, month, year, and at last we will return it as like this way. And for time, we will return like this format. And same like add show, same like Firebase, how we added add movie. Same like we have created a show parameterized constructor, and then we have added this new show to this Firebase utils. And that's it. Add show. We click add show. Show will be added. That we can view in this view movies. View movie activity. As you can see the screen, that just we are displaying the list of the movies. Same way we have created array list string. I mean, as a movie is a string, array list of a string. We have the array list of movie, and then using the database, we got the movie list from the database which you are added, and then just will display on the screen. That is way. And if you click on movie, it will show the show timings here. Just now we have added Bahubali. You can see this one. 48. That that's it. Theater admin. If you click log out and then log out.
Okay, now if you are a user and you log in as a user, I'll be explaining that part. So you can just, I mean, we need to put in our email address and our password in order to sign in. So we've already created one for reference. When we sign in, we see the user dashboard, and for this we have the user dashboard activity, the class. Inside it, we have a method which we've called, which is called onCreate method, and in onCreate method we have the search bar, the banner, and the movie list. So in this user dashboard, we already have a specific list of movies which we have already stored, which we have stored in the database. So using the unique movie ID, we can get the movie list from the database. And to get the movies, we have called a method called get movies here. And here we have used for loop. Using for loop, we will iterate the movie list, and we will display the movie names one by one. So when we click, when you click on a movie, for example, I'm clicking on a movie named Bahubali, or say Pushpa. So when we click on a Bahubali, we have the user movies adapter. We have theater. Okay, we have the theaters adapter. Yes. So we have the theater name, timings. We have the show, like theater ID. We have show timings. We have the show movie name. Inside the timings, we have the date as well as the timings, and we also have locations. So yes, so when we click on a specific timing which is convenient for us as a user, we can see the theater theater ID, date, time, location. If you want to book the show, you can click on book now, and when we click on book now, you will get the booking successful page, the payment successful page, and that's it. That will be all.
Yeah. Let me show one successful flow, like including a Firestore the database. Let's click on logout. Let's add a movie name using yeah. I will add a movie now. One movie. Let's take a quiet place and genre thriller category cast and language English. After add movie, a movie is added. Let me show you in the Firebase movies. Yeah, we have added a quiet place movie name, language English, and the thriller category, some hero, and theater, theater zero, and a new movie we have added that considered as theater zero, unique ID. After that, to view the movie, add show. I will add the show timings to that. I'll select here quiet place and just already default timings. I'll add the show and then the show is added. Let me show. Oh, yeah. Here you see we have added date and movie ID is this one. This is encrypted and date ready. This is also encrypted and time and it is added and you can see the view movie here. See, it's a quiet place and if you click on that, it will display the show. This is the admin page. You can log out using here. You can here by clicking here, log out and user login. You can book a show of a quiet place by logging into user. Yeah, see, you can see quiet place here. Click on the quiet place and clicking on that, you can see the show timing. If you click on show timing, then it will preview your show that at which date you have booked and at which time you have booked and the location. And if you click book now, then it will be payment successful and you check your mail for the payment receipt. It's done. It will back to the this movie page. Coming back and log out. You can see log out and that's it. Yeah, thank you everyone.